afternoon, everyone. This is Kenny Wong speaking. Today, I'm going to introduce the application of the weatherproofing silicone sealant, also the application of the structural silicone sealant. Follow me. As you can see here, this is the most common curtain wall type. We call it in aluminum panel. Most of the time, maybe you can come closer. Take a look here, closer. Yeah, between the gate here, the aluminum panels here. Most of the time, here comes the ceiling of the weatherproofing silicone sealant. The function of the weatherproofing silicone sealant is mainly to ensure the weatherproofing function. For example, if we replace this panel in two glasses, the function will be the same. Why? Because if after the cooling of the silicone sealant here, the silicone is gonna stop or prevent the moisture outside, the water outside from coming inside. In this case, here we can ensure the way better weatherproofing function. So this is how weatherproofing sealant works. On the other hand, here comes another part of the most common design of the modern curtain wall. We call it besides glass curtain wall. In this case, most of the time, only weatherproofing sealant will be applied here, because you can take a further look from out there here. Now you can take a closer look. Because the glass panel is quite huge, so on the back side of the glass panel, here comes a glass rib to hold the whole panel here to make the structural function. So between the gap here of 3 panels, actually it is mainly 2 panels. So the function is just similar to the weatherproofing one. So we just use the transparent weatherproofing sealant here. So here is my introduction of the weatherproofing sealant from outside, no matter from the aluminum panels nor to the glass panels. So if you have more questions, you can just feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for your watching.
Today I'm going to talk about the door and window sealant. And door and window sealant is a kind of weatherproofing sealant designed for the sealing the gaps and joint of the door and window, such like this. You can see this, or aluminum, or UPVC, or glass. Ensure the air tightness and weather tightness. So, in the windy and raining days, the room will be warm and dry. There are so many kinds of sealant, like PU sealant, MS sealant, or acetic sealant, or neutral sealant. For windows and doors, the most popular sealant is neutral silicone sealant. The reason why made the neutral silicone sealant becomes so popular, if you compare with the acetic sealants, neutral sealant is no cross and has the good adhesion with the materials like aluminum, glass. Why acetic sealants will cause the conclusion to the material and relative with the glass. And during the cure, neutral sealant does not release the bad smells. Why acetic sealants will release acetic smell, which is bad for the health, like the skin or eyes. In the conclusions, neutral silicone sealants is economic friendly and more kind of use. So now I'd like to introduce the SS550 and SS850. This two kind of sealant. So about the neutral silicone sealant, I want to introduce these two kind of silicone sealant for you. And SS550 SS550 and SS850. And this is alcohol silicone sealants, and this is the oxim silicone sealant. What is the difference between them? When